What I'm going to show you is a quick little diet hack that will hopefully help you keep your health and fitness goals intact while being able to enjoy a nice delicious beverage, being a knockoff version of Mtn Dew Baja Blast. Now, Baja Blast is something that exists at Taco Bell and has been out for quite a while now. I used to enjoy it and drink it a lot, but unfortunately it's very high in calorie and sugar and simply does not really fit well into most people's balanced diets, and especially if you're trying to diet and decrease calorie intake, it's even more difficult. So I came across this recipe. I've used it a few times, and it creates a very good diet version of Mtn Dew Baja Blast, but you can do it at home. It's very cheap and affordable, and it's zero sugar, as I've already mentioned. So essentially you're going to need Powerade, zero sugar, mixed berry flavor, and then just some Diet Mountain Dew. And all you're going to do is mix these two together. I do about half equal parts. So half a cup of one, half a cup of the other. And it makes something that's pretty darn close to the regular Mtn Dew Baja Blast, but of course it's zero sugar. And since you can make it at home, it's a little more cost effective than going to regular Taco Bell and getting their 0-calorie sugar version of this. That is a good side note. They do have a 0-calorie version of actual Baja Blast at Taco Bell, but you have to drive all the way over there, considering when you can just have some Diet Mountain Dew and Powerade Zeros at a constant stream at home and make something that's very similar. So go ahead and give those a shot. Go ahead and give this recipe a shot, and hopefully you enjoy it. It's a really easy way to kind of get that fix of soda, but not going to let your diet go off the rails. So if you try this, let me know what you think down in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.